What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a GPT Creator Club review, which is a new product that just came out, and they are going to help you to be able to create your own AI chatbot from scratch, and you can get started with that today. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you through the sales page, and then I'm going to take you inside of my Chat GPT account and show you how this works, where you create your own chatbots and things like that. You know, this is just another way that you can make money online using AI. Now, you know, you still got your other affiliate marketing program that you can do on top of this, but since the AI gold rush seems to be going on, I might as well get on the bandwagon along with everybody else, and I encourage you to do the same. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk you through this sales page, and then we're going to go into my Chat GPT account, and I'm going to show you how this works. So this is the video, okay? It's like an hour, and it's actually a webinar, hour, 13 minutes, 14 minutes long. So you want to watch this video right here so you get a clear understanding of how it works, and watch the webinar replay to discover how to skip the tech overwhelm and start publishing your own GPT. You can sell, share, and scale fast, okay? So if you're tired of watching others launch cool GPTs while you sit on the sideline, this video is for you. You can read this sales page. You just quickly go through the sales page, telling you how easy it is to do this. They're going to show you some of that in this video as well. And it talks about what is GPT. GPT is short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a custom AI tool built inside of Chat GPT that can perform specific tasks and like writing content, answering questions, generating ideas, solving problems based on how it's trained and prompted. And one thing I've discovered about these AI tools such as Gemini and Chat GPT is that you have to train them to talk like you. You can't go in and ask them a generic question, but you're going to get a generic answer with, you know, Chat GPT and Gemini. They're going to give you these words that you don't even use in your own language. You know, just like I'm talking to you right now, I want them to be able to speak in my voice, use the same type of, you know, the tone that I use and the language that I use. I say a lot of, you know, and, you know, stuff like that in my videos. And so it's going to pick up on that. It's going to learn who I am. So you can train these AI tools to mimic your voice, your style, your personality, and that's what you want to do. So what are the benefits of using a GPT? And whether someone is a business owner, creator, coach, or just need help with everyday tasks, GPTs makes life easier, faster, and more production. Here are some of the examples showing GPTs you can use. You save time, boost productivity, easy to use, customized, always available, affordable help. Okay, it can be just like your assistant in your business, you know, where you don't have to farm out people to write content for you, because now you can give it a prompt and it will actually go and do what you have trained it to do in your style, the way you want it written, the way you want it. So you can use it in your emails, you can use it in your ad copy, you know, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, whatever the case may be. You can use that in your marketing to help you, especially with, like, you know, organic marketing, Facebook posts. You can get it to create images, cartoon images of yourself. You know, I've seen some of them use Chat GPT to create themselves like a little toy in a, you know, plastic bag or in a box or whatever, sealed up and things like that. You can do all of that with it. And there are some other tools that you can use online as well, like a Google VEO 3.0, whatever. I have access to that as well. But right now, I just want to talk about, you know, the actual GPT Creators Club and how you can get access to it. So look at what it costs to, you know, get GPTs created, you know, on Fiverr. I'm assuming that this is Fiverr. $195, $400, $195, $300, $850, $500, $500, $750, where you can do this yourself at a low cost, and you're going to get ongoing training with this as well. So here's what you're going to get every month with the GPT Creators Club: a custom GPT, sales page copy, email sequence, social media creatives, full training, user guides, and template. So all of that is going to be included in with your monthly cost or you can get it for a one-time price, and I will show you that here shortly. So who is it for? The GPT Creator Club, designed for creators, coaches, and marketers who understand the power of offering GPTs, but don't want to waste time wrestling with prompt, testing, tech, or writing all the supporting content from scratch. It's for anyone who wants to benefit from selling and sharing GPTs without the overwhelm that usually come with building them. That makes it perfect if you are a beginner, you're a busy professional, you're an aspiring digital product creator, you've struggled with information overload, you're a coach, consultant, freelancer, you prefer focusing on promotion and growth, you're ready to embrace AI. I'm ready to embrace AI. And if you're ready to embrace it as well, you can click the link that's in the description that's below this video and come check this out for yourself. Okay. Plus, when you join today, you're going to unlock the fast action bonuses, 3 additional GPTs right away, $111 value, a one-on-one strategy call with Randy, $297 value, your GTP ideals built by us, $997 value, all back issues at no extra cost, $111 value. Total bonuses, $1,516, yours free with any plan. So you either love it or you get your money back. 100% money back guaranteed. Time to act is now. Here's everything you're going to get. You can go and look at the sales page by clicking the link in the description. Now you can choose your membership to join now. Now the membership one is $37 a month. The most affordable option, perfect if you want to test it out and see the value month to month. It's an ongoing subscription, so you understand that with a 14 money back guarantee. Permanent VIP access is $297 one time, which is the one I'm going to go with. I'm not going to do the monthly. I'm going to actually go with the $297. I haven't purchased this yet, but I am going to purchase it. But you get instant secure payment, VIP access, receive custom GPTs done for your assets each and every month. No ongoing membership payments to make it ever. Plus, you also receive back issues at no extra cost. You can order it now, same day, 14-day money back guarantee and all that. And then you have frequently asked question right here. Do you need any technical skills? Not at all. What kind of GPT will I get each month? You receive GPTs designed for marketers, creators, coaches, consultants, educators, tools to solve real problems, attract leads, and even generate sales. Think list builder, productivity boosters, content helpers, and more. So you have the frequency ask questions here as well. So let's actually go inside of Chat GPT right now, and I'm going to show you one of the chats that I have. And this is called the email subject line generator. So if I click on it right here, this is a subject line generator. You're going to be able to craft 25 attention grabbing subject lines for any emails in 67. It's going to give you here's my email, which subject lines would work best. I wrote this email, can you suggest subject line? Analyze my email and generate subject line. Can you give me subject line ideas for this email? So I'm going to come back and actually show you how this works here in a minute, but let me show you one that I've actually used today, and it's right here. So I'm going to get back up here. Let me scroll back up. My mouse is going crazy. So here's my email, which subject line works best for us, and it's going to respond to you. What you need to do, paste your content here. So I pasted the email here. And it based on your email, I've analyzed the tone, offer, urgency, and benefit. 5 best subject line formulas are urgency, teaser, the magic button numbers, and the scarecrow killer. Okay, so here are 5 subject lines for that formula. And I like the fact that it already knows the formula and everything is set up. The only thing you have to do is paste the email. Urgency, it gave me 5 emails. The teaser, it gave me 5 emails. The magic button, it gave me 5 emails. These are some subject lines, not emails, but subject lines. Wanting AI that grows your list for you. All numbers, 7 reasons that AI memberships is a no-brainer. The scarecrow killer. Who said you need a code? Who you need to code to sell AI? Forget the tech overwhelm. So all of these you're going to get. It's going to pump out 25 of them for you with Okay, the tone, the urgency, and the benefits, all of that right there. So when I came back, it asked me a question, said, let me know if you like the version tailored for a specific audience segment platform, cold lead, warm subscriber, Facebook ad. I said, these emails will be for my warm lead for my YouTube video. It responded back perfect. Okay. So it said, perfect. Since DDs already know, like, and trust you from YouTube, we can lean into familiarity, curiosity, deeper emotion triggered while keeping urgency and clarity strong. Here are the uploaded subject lines optimized for warm lead. Urgency, it gave me a warm tone, 5 of them. The teaser, it gave me the curious visitor. Okay. So you can pause the video and look at those right there. You asked for my GPT stack. This is it. You know, the magic button. You want a GPT that's ready to use and sell. Just plug this in and let GPT do the work. You got numbers. 8 reading this GPT membership is a total steal. Then you got the Scarecrow Killer. AI just isn't for coders. It's for creators like you. Then it asked me another question. Let me know if you like to test any of these side by side. I said, wait, that's great. They are great. Tailor them more closely to it, please. Here's my title. Okay, I gave it a title for my YouTube video. And then it gave me titles for my, that I can use in my emails, in my YouTube videos and things like that. It gave me the urgency. It gave me the teaser, the magic button, the numbers, and the Scarecrow Killer. Okay. It said, based on your YouTube title, GPT Creator Club review, create your own AI bot from scratch. Now your viewers are likely to be excited by the do-it-yourself appeal, owning or customizing AI bots, fast action and immediate access, your personal endorsement review. With that in mind, I've customized each set of subject lines to reflect the specific hook and content, and it gave me these right here. Okay, so ask me, did I want to match these specific emails to a sequence? Example, day 1 post video, last call, bonus announcement. I can help align them. I told them not yet, I'll come back, but then I came back and thank you. Then it said, how can I match the subject lines to each email sequence? I have 9 more emails to go. Great question, smart move. It answered, and then it gave me some advice right here. Okay, this thing is tuned in to what I wanted to do, and that's what I like about this, because now I don't have to sit down and try to come up with headlines, subject lines for YouTube videos or for my emails. This does it for me. It talks about the announcement lead in, the deeper benefit, the objection crusher number 1, objection crusher number 2, 5 social proof, bonus breakdown. All of these are for emails that are ready to go. Okay. It said, would you like me to assign specific subject line to each of the emails you paste in? I can customize further that way. I pasted in the second email. This is what I pasted in, and it said, thanks for sharing. Gave me subject lines to match. Okay. And then I ended it right there to do the rest. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and go to the actual subject line generator once again in here. And what I'm going to choose, I can choose either one of these right here. I'm just going to say, give me subject lines for this email. I'm going to let it do what it do. Of course, please place the content of your email. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab an email here. This is the subject line now, failed to win. So I'm going to copy this email. It's going to scroll down. I'm going to come back up. I'm going to leave the link out, but I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back over here. I'm just going to paste the email here. And that's the email inside of there. Then I'm going to click the go button and let it do what it do. And now it's giving me the formulas, the Scarecrow Killer. Here are 25 attention grabbing subject lines carefully selected based on your email content. Why I don't believe in failure, the myth failure, why everyone gets it wrong, controversy, why John Carlton wants you to fail faster. Okay. All of this is pulled out of that email. Okay. All of this urgency, stop fearing failure today. Here's how. 3 reasons why failure isn't what you think. And those are, that's what it has given me. Okay, I can ask it a question. You know, if I say, and I'm just going to do that right there and see what it gives me. And see, now it's giving me the best headline, why I don't believe in failure, and neither should you. And then I can ask it, you know, what's the second best? What's the third best? And then use those headlines in this email right here. Now, this works perfectly. I can even ask Chat GPT to rewrite the headline for me. So you see how it works. You see how it can help you with your email writing subject line. It can even help you with your email. I can come over here to this one right here and I'm just going to tell them thank you. I'm going to give them a big thank you. Say you're welcome. Good luck. I hope you get engagement. If you need more help, just let me know. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And then I'm going to come over to get response. And I can do get response. I can write a whole sequence in get response by creating an email series. I'm not going to go through that one in this video, but you see the gist of what this can do for you. So if you want to pick up GPT Creator Club, go ahead and click the link that's in the description. I highly recommend that you watch this video all the way to the end, because it's going to show you how this works and what it can do to help you in your business, with you getting subject lines and hooks for your emails and anything else that you need. So with that being said, I want you to click the link in the description, leave me a comment below, like this video. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.